Donna,
What's that, Dolly?
let me tell you about a man.
All right.
I think they'll understand.
Well, I want to hear it.
Well, he can rock my socks, he can float my boat. If he's running to be president, he'll get my vote. I love everything about that man. He can sizzle my bacon in his frying pan. He's got me hard and it's shaking like no one can. Gotta get myself around that man. I love Brad Paisley. That man, he drives me crazy. With his soul slam hips and his guitar licks. Gonna hang around with him till I get my fix. He's just amazing. The way he turns me into his love song.
I want to love him all night long. He could go fishing till the beer's gone. I'd have a nice surprise waiting when he gets home. I love everything about that man. That sparkle in his eye and his cowboy charm. One look from him and I'd melt in his arms. Yeah, Brad's everything this woman could want. I love Brad Paisley. That man, he drives me crazy. With his tight blue jeans and that cowboy hat. That man is turning up my thermostat. He's just amazing. The way he turns me into his love song. I wanna love him all night long.
Dream one day we'll drive in a Chevy, grab some beers and go skinny dipping down at the levee. Guess I should be more realistic, but all my makeup and some bright red lipstick. Head to the show with my front row ticket.
I love Brad Paisley. That man, he drives me crazy. With his slow slim hips and his guitar licks. I'm gonna hang around till I get my fix. He's just amazing. The way he rides me into his love song. I wanna love him all night long.
I love Brad Paisley.
I love Brad Paisley.
I love Brad Paisley. We love Brad Paisley. Ha ha ha. Hell yeah, we do.
He does have some tight-fitting jeans, that's for sure.